If you're considering getting a GrooveFunnels account but are looking to find the best GrooveFunnels bonus or discount before you do, then you've come to the right place. I'm Dexx Williams, a best-selling author and profit system specialist. For over a decade, I've been helping small businesses to increase their profits by 30% or more in as little as 30 days. In the process, I've watched many sales and marketing platforms come and go, but none of them have come close to what GrooveFunnels is promising to deliver when everything is said and done. The problem? A lot of new and current Groovesters will struggle to figure out how to use all the various tools being made available in order to consistently generate a stream of new sales and leads. Sure, there's going to be basic training tutorials on how each feature works, and a lot of marketers are providing free bonus reports or random software packages, but none of that will give you the competitive advantage you need to truly leverage the power of every single tool in GrooveFunnels to maximize your sales and lead generation. Which is why I've decided to create and release the best GrooveFunnels bonus offer package ever created. All said, you'll soon have access to a bonus offer with a retail value of well over $4,763. Here's just a few things you'll receive inside the best GrooveFunnels bonus package. Over 20 hours of step-by-step advanced sales and marketing funnel training so you can become the dominant authority in your desired target market as you steal leads and sales away from your biggest competitors. More than a dozen professionally designed and optimized sales funnel templates with proven sales copy techniques for maximum sales and lead conversion, which means you'll save thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours in time. Behind the scenes interviews with sales and marketing experts in a variety of categories, answering your questions, which means you'll get to uncover the hidden secrets to your most burning questions. A private Facebook community for high-level GrooveFunnels strategy implementation, discussions, case studies, live Q&A webinars, and more. Want to learn more details and how you can get access to it for free? Visit bestgroovefunnelsbonus.com and click the button to learn more. I'll see you on the other side.